Hey guys, it's Angela, and for today's video I am going to be turning my hair from pink back to brown with this Revlon Color Silk box dye. I'm just really tired of bleaching and doing my roots all the time, and I'm damaging my hair really badly. So I figured since I have most of it short, this is a good time to try to regrow it out in a healthier way. So I'm gonna go back to brown, and in the future, if I ever want to lighten it up again, then I will do that. I'm just gonna have to wait until this like 6-7 inches of box dye is out of my hair. So I have my camera flipped the other way this time, so I keep wanting to look that way when the camera lens is that way. So I apologize if I look at the wrong direction, but I had to flip it over so that you didn't see the cabinet wall that is currently holding my phone. So, okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take out my ponytail. So all of this pink needs to go dark brown. And my hair's a mess today, but I keep thinking like, oh God, I have to do my roots. It's so outgrown. And then I'm like, I really don't feel like doing it. So yeah, I think I'm done with the fashion colors for a while. So I'm gonna go back to my natural color for a little bit, and then in the future, if I decide to go back to fashion colors again, then I can do so at will. So it's been 2-3 years that I've been putting colors in my hair, so it's definitely time for a break. Definitely, I think 3 years is a long time. So let's see here. Let's see. That's the after color conditioner. I have a bottle of developer and the dye. So we're just gonna go ahead, and I need scissors. Fabulous. I don't have scissors here. I'll be right back. Okay, that took a lot longer than expected. Michaela hit all the scissors. All right, so I have the tip cut off. I left the dye in the kitchen. Lord help me. Take 3. Let's try that one more time, shall we? Sorry about the lighting in here. I'm in the bathroom and it's really, really, really dark. The only lighting is above the mirror. And currently my windows are still boarded up from when Hurricane Dorian was supposed to hit us. So I'm looking at the wrong side again. Sorry, guys. All right, I have the dye. I have the developer. By the way, I am going to be using shade number 30, dark brown. You can see that right there. All right. So let's go ahead and mix this up and see what happens. I'm hoping it'll just cover all the pink so that I can go on with my life. And like I said, in the future, if I ever feel like doing fashion colors again, I will definitely do that, and I will be sure to film it for you guys. But I think today marks the end of the last 2.5 to 3 years with colorful hair. I just feel like people don't take you seriously. They assume that you're not professional, which is really sad to judge people just because their hair color is different from most people. All right, just gonna give this a really good shake. Bye bye pink here. I will miss you. Let's start by applying it to the hair. I'm brushing it down. Goodbye, pink. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to stay in frame, but it's not the easiest thing in the world to do. Just do the roots and everything. Make sure we get full saturation here. Okay. I don't know how well the brush is gonna work. We're gonna have to go at this with my hands. Let's see if I can make this brush work. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do all the big areas, the long areas, and then I'm gonna go through and part it and make sure that it's all saturated. But at least for now, I can be working on the ends. See if I can change my angle a little bit more so you guys can see me better. There we go. All right, so there is my hair. I hope you can see it. Okay. All right, made a little bit of a mess of myself and of my sink. That's okay. We're just gonna clean that right up. Goodbye, pink hair. I'm gonna process for about 35 minutes. I'm looking at the wrong spot again. I'm gonna let this process for about 35 minutes and I will see you guys in about 45 minutes after I blow dry. Bye. Good morning, guys. It is actually the next day, and as you can see, this is how my hair turned out. There's just a little tiny hint of what used to be, but it looks really good. I like the color. It's very close to my natural hair color. So that's how it came out. So I'm gonna keep it dark for a while. I might actually go with a blue black next. I used to do blue black when I was younger and I loved it, so I may do that. But yeah, that's it. That's how it came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will go back to fashion colors at some point. I need a break from all the bleaching, and I just want to let it grow some before I go back and start adding some color again. So, but that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for notifications, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.